Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are on the third video out of my colour block series, and as you can tell the colour today is yellow. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, then I'll link the first video I did out of this series, the red look, down below, or it will come up on the screen. But in the intro of that video I explain why I'm doing this and what was my inspiration behind it. But in this video I'm going to get straight into the makeup look. If you have been watching my videos in this series and you are liking them, let me know by pressing the like button on my videos and pressing the subscribe button so you do not miss out on my colour block and makeup videos, as well as my colour block lookbook videos. They are being included in this series. Let me zoom you in a little bit so you can see. If you would like to see how I created this yellow makeup look, then please keep watching. Like with the red tutorial, if you've seen it, I haven't got many options when it comes to yellow eyeshadows. I have 5 eyeshadows. One of them is, of course, the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and it's the yellow here, and that is called Calavera. And then I have a more of a mustardy colour in the Barry M Fall in Love palette, and it is this kind of mustardy colour right here. Another Barry M palette, this is the Meteor Storm, and this one is more like a lemony yellow. It has a bit of a shimmer in it as well, so it's a bit like goldy lemony colour. Urban Decay Electric palette, and we have this one right here which is like bordering on lime. If you pair it with other yellows it makes it look more yellow, if that makes sense. So if I put that with a green eye it would bring out more of the green undertones in it, whereas if I put it with other yellow shadows it really brings out the yellow in it. So, and then the last one is this eyeshadow, and it is a neon yellow, and when I got this I think I was about 12, called Stargazer. I don't know if that's still around. This is an L yellow. So, oh my goodness, you would never guess, found Stargazer eyeshadow on Amazon in yellow. I don't know if it's quite the same because online it doesn't look as neon. These are the shadows that I'm working with. So this is the one from the Urban Decay Electric palette. This is from the Barry M Meteor Storm palette. This is from the Barry M Fall in Love palette, and this is from the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette. So I've primed my lids as per usual with a concealer and just some pressed powder. So now I'm going to start, and I'm nervous. I'm going to start with Urban Decay Electric palette and this shadow up here called Thrash. I'm going to get that on a big fluffy brush and put that in my crease. Now I've done that, I'm going to go into the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette and use the yellow in here, and that is called Calavera. And I'm basically going to do the same and put that over the top of the kind of limey colour that we've already put down. I'm going to bring this up a bit at the side as well, because as you know I'm going to be doing a winged eyeliner, so I don't want the eyeshadow to be underneath the eyeliner. I want it to be quite clean, so I'm going to bring it up but not too low down on the side. Now I've done that, I'm going to go into the Barry M Fall in Love palette and use that mustardy colour, and I've got an angled fluffy brush now because I want to get that into the crease to contour the eye, so we have a transition. Now I've done that, I'm going to go into the Barry M Meteor palette and use the yellow there and put it on the inner corner and kind of bring it up halfway in the middle, like a half cut crease. So while I was putting that on, I thought I'm going to do a proper cut crease with my concealer. So I've got some concealer, I'm just going to cut the crease. So on that one I kind of drawed it more than I wanted to, but I'll fix that in a minute. But I do want to do half a cut crease. So on the other eye I will be just drawing half a cut crease. So I'm going to fill that in with the eyeshadow again from the Barry M palette, that light yellow colour. I really don't know if you can see it well on camera, I hope you can. Now I've done that, I kind of want to blend what I've done in the crease onto the side so I don't have this kind of harsh line on the cut crease. So what I'm actually going to do is going to go in with the mustardy shade from the Barry Fall in Love palette because it's a darkest shade, and just kind of put it in that corner and then try and like blend it in a little. Now I've done that, to blend that in, I'm going to be using that really warm yellow shade. I'm going to put my fluffy brush in there and put that over the top of the mustardy colour to help with the blending, really. Make it more of a rich yellow. Next I'm going to be doing my eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the Rimmel Wonder Wing eyeliner because I haven't used it in a while. Sorry, that took me a hot minute, but I've done my eyes. Nala, what's the matter? My dog just walked in crying with a toy in her mouth and then walked out. Firstly, going to put that lemony shade on the bottom lash line. I am working this out as I go along. I don't know what I'm doing. I knew what I wanted to do. Well, I had an idea. And I just poked myself in the eye. Now I'm going to put that dark mustardy shade along the bottom lash line because I just think it will add some definition. And I'm just tapping this. Now I'm going to put this black eyeliner in my waterline. I don't know if I like that or not, so I'm going to put mascara on, and then if I don't like it, I can just take it off. And I'm going to be using the Rimmel Wonderfully Real Mascara. See my dog? She now sits on the windowsill. If you didn't see my red look, then go and check that out because I had a heart attack because of this little thing. I've just put some lashes on. I do not know what lashes these are. These were like left out on my side. So what I am going to do is that light lemon shade that we've been using a lot. I'm going to put that on my Cupid's bow as a highlight. And a little bit at the end of my nose and on the bridge. Brow bone. And a bit more in the inner corner. And I might as well put it on my cheekbone. I've already put a highlighter on, but you know, trying to like put it on really lightly so it's not streaky. I feel like a little bee. The lips is going to be an issue. Do I have anything for my lips that has like a gold reflect in it? Maybe. So I've got this Nude lip pencil by Collection, and it is in the shade One Nude Pink. It's not like fabulous, but I kept it because it's got a really warm undertone to it. And in the middle I'm going to be using this MAC Lip Intensity lipstick in Driftwood, and this is practically the colour of my lips. Kind of tap that in the middle. This looks so summery and like... And this is the MAC Boundlessly Beige Pro Longwear Lip Gloss. So this is the final look. With this jacket as well, I just think it just brings everything together. I really hope you like this look and this series so far. This is officially the third look out of this series, and there are going to be 6 looks. So we are halfway there. So exciting. I'm loving it. If you like this video, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button down below and the subscribe button if you haven't already, because you don't want to miss my future videos, especially the ones in this series and all the lookbooks that I'm doing at the moment. I'm just dishing them out to you. I know, I'm loving it. But I'm gonna stop rambling now and let you go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, really now? Okay, babes. Okay, babes.